In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Slides in 2025. Whether you're creating a presentation for school, work, or personal projects, Google Slides is a versatile tool that's simple to navigate once you get the hang of it. Let's dive in and explore how you can get started with Google Slides. First things first, you'll want to open your browser and head over to the Google Slides website. Simply type in slides.google.com and it will take you directly to their homepage. If you're not immediately taken to Google Slides, you might land on the Google Apps page. Just click on the Slides icon to proceed. This will transport you to the hub of all your slide-based projects. Next up, you'll need to sign in to your Google account. If you're already signed into any Google service like Gmail or Google Drive, you might be automatically signed in. If not, click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and password to gain access. If you don't have a Google account yet, you will need to create one, which is a straightforward process, before you can proceed with using Google Slides. Once you are all signed in, you'll find yourself at the Google Slides homepage. This is your personal dashboard containing all your slides and presentation files. If you've used Google Slides before, you'll see any past presentations listed here. From this dashboard, you can also create new presentations, organize your files, and access templates to give your slides a professional touch right from the start. To create a new presentation, select the option to start a new presentation, which typically is featured as a large plus sign or a blank presentation button. Clicking this will open a new document with a blank slide for you to begin crafting your presentation. It's now your canvas, so feel free to explore and experiment with it. Now that you have a blank presentation in front of you, it's time to add content. You can do this by clicking the text box to add notes or by inserting images and shapes to make your slides more visually appealing. You'll find these options in the toolbar at the top of your screen. Play around with the format settings to perfect the appearance of your text, whether that's changing fonts, adjusting the alignment, or experimenting with color and size. And finally, don't forget to change your slide design to make your presentation unique. Google Slides provides a variety of themes and templates that you can apply to your presentation with just a click. Start by selecting the theme option in the toolbar and browse through the available designs. Once you've found one that suits your presentation, simply click to apply it and watch your slides instantly transform. And there you have it, you're now ready to create stunning presentations with Google Slides in 2025. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching and enjoy crafting your next presentation masterpiece.